how to set a screen time limit on Android. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to set a screen time limit on Android. In that case, you have to first of all go ahead and log in into your settings application, and when you are on this page you need to scroll down a bit and go to digital wellbeing and parental control. While you're on this page, you can go ahead and tap on the dashboard button, and as you do that you can see screen time, and click the arrow icon from the top right and go to screen time once again, and then you'll be able to see your screen time. Accordingly, to set a screen time or to set a time limit, you can just go ahead and tap the hourglass icon located in the top right, and then you can set the time accordingly and click the OK button. As you do that, you've successfully set a screen time limit on Android. Similarly, if you wish to remove it, then head back to the same page and go to the hourglass icon from the corner, and then you can just tap the turn off button, and you've successfully turned off a screen time limit on Android. So that's how you can set a screen time limit on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.